Verna police on behalf of the state have registered offence against Congress's Olencia Simoes, Orville Dorado and Kelvin Spencer for allegedly fighting amongst themselves when brought to the police station in connection to an assault case at Wellsound. Congress, however, has rejected the claims and explained its side of the story. Here's more. Verna police had brought in Olencia Simoes and two others to the station in connection with an assault case reported on 20th April at Wellsound. However, according to police, the trio began fighting amongst themselves within the police station premises. Police, on behalf of the state, registered an offence against the trio for disturbing public peace. Here's what police had to say.
Press conference in Panjim where Congress leader has said that there was an attack on innocent person in police present at Verna police station. What is the fact of the matter and किती action झाले तुमचे तर?
So 20 तारखेर इवनिंग अराउंड 10:30 आमकां एक कॉल आयलें की वेलसांव अशें फायट जाल्या आनी अराउंड 20 people gathered and they have assaulted one Aliston Pinto who is also a resident of Wellsound. आणि हे संदर्भान हे मॅटरान हितून भितर आमच्या जे कोण ओपोनंट आनी फॅमिली मेंबर्स ऑफ बोथ द पार्टीज वेर एट द पुलीस स्टेशन. आणि पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आसतना ही पुलीस स्टेशनाचे भायर ऑलेन्सियो सिमोन्स, ऑर्विल दोरादो रॉड्रिगीस आणि ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कंप्लेनंट एलिस्टन पिंटो ताजो एडवोकेट स्पेन्सर वेगस हे भायर थिंगा आसतना तेंचे मदत कितें जालें आनी इन पब्लीक प्लेस ते झगडले थिंगाचे भायल्यानच्यान आनी तिकाय खंय इंजरीज जाले ते भितर. पब्लीक प्लेसीन तेणी झगडले आमचे हितून वेर्ना पुलीस स्टेशन प्रिमायसिसान विच इज अ पब्लीक प्लेस. सो वी हॅव रजिस्टर्ड एन ऑफेन्स अगेन्स्ट ऑल 3 accused person for disturbing public peace under section 160 of IPC and FRA.
Congress, meanwhile, has issued its side of the story. They claim that Olencio and Orville were assaulted in the presence of police, who they said failed to intervene. Congress has also charged that valuables such as phones and spectacles were stolen. Listen to what Orville Dorado had to say on the issue.
See, what has happened was there was one person, दोयें शर्ट घालून काळें कालसांव घालून आसलो आनी बॅड माउथ कोतालो ऑलेन्सियो सिमोयस. म्हजे सायडीन 2-3 मिटर पयस ऑलेन्सियो सिमोयस आसलो. सारक्यो त्यो आनी ते पॉजिटीव गाडयो सारक्यो इंग्लिशीन गाडयो मान ताका हें कोतालो वर्बली एब्यूज कोतालो. ऑलेन्सो न्हू कांयच करूं ना, ताका फकत ताका स्मायल केलें, मिस्टिवस स्मायल लायक ऑलेन्सो. आनी फॉर मी म्हाका तें बरें एम्युजमेंट अशें दिसलें कित्याक हो तो गाडी मारता ऑलेन्सो स्मायल कोता म्हूण. युजली वॉट हॅपन्स, पर्सन रिएक्ट्स वेन समबडी फायर्स अ बॅड वर्ड, द ऑपोजीट पर्सन युजली रिएक्ट्स. ऑलेन्सो कांय रिएक्ट करूं ना, वी जस्ट स्माइल्ड. म्हाजे म्हणूं लागलो यू समथींग लायक दॅट ही सेड दॅट इफ यू कम टू वेलसांव आय फिनिश यू म्हणूं लागलो वेलसांव बीच. सो आय देन इट बिकेम रियली मोर एम्युजींग आनी तो मरे एक्शन करपाक लागलो कळ्ळें का. आनी हें सगळें जालें न्हू. स्टील ऑलेन्सो डीड नॉट से अ वर्ड, ही जस्ट स्माइल्ड. म्हाजे म्हणूं लागलो यू वॉन्ट टू फायट, यू वॉन्ट टू गँग वॉर काय म्हणूं लागलो. हां एट दॅट पॉयंट ऑफ टायम न्हू ऑलेन्सो सेड कम म्हूण, इतलें म्हणलें कम म्हूण. आय थिंक ट्वायस ही सेड कम. दॅट्स वॉट आय हर्ड. दीस फेलो केम रशिंग डावन द स्टेप्स टुवर्ड्स ऑलेन्सो. And I was looking at this, I mean, this is a crazy scene, like, hey, this is not the place to fight, a police station or anything. He came rushing at Olencio, and at the very last moment, just like yes you do in a basketball, you dunk, to, this the opponent. Olencio missed keltene and he hit me here on my temple. And I got stunned, fell to the ground.
Police सोडोवपाचो try केलो because it was inside the compound of the police station.
See, in my opinion, police should have detained all of us, done an investigation on the spot. You have the CCTV. Why you have to do what investigation? There is anything, or is there a conspiracy to finish us off? I just want to ask this question: how long does an inquiry take? Detain all of us who are involved in this. So you think we had a brawl or something? We have disturbed public peace. Detain us.
Hiru Mahale, Subhashish Guvekar and Nikhil Jalmi for GOA365.